Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand the concept of capital market. What the capital market means? As we go into the market and we buy our necessary things, right, to the any of the local market for vegetables, market for the retail, that is commodities and all. So like that, if we want to buy and sell our stock, our securities, our shares, our debentures, our municipal corporations bonds, where to go? So capital market is a market for capital, market for long-term funds, a place where person can buy and sell, trade their securities. That place to be called as a capital market. Now this capital market is very important for any economy. If economy want to grow, industrialization required, and industry required capital. So from where the capital to be collected? There must be some common place where those have money can come and those want to sell their securities and want their money back, they can do. So capital market is a place for the long-term shares and securities purchase and sell area where you can do this activity. Now mainly this capital market classified into two categories. One is a primary market, second one is a secondary market. What the primary market means? You are going to buy and sell the security only those which are listed and issued first. So there are two phenomena. One is that is the first time the securities are sold by the company into the market. So primary market is a place where newly issued securities only can be purchased. Here the first time public issue has come out, and that public issue, the public are buying securities from this. This particular activity to raise the capital fund. Industry want funds, so funds can be received from the market. The public have their ideal savings. They want a place where to park their money. So money to be invested into the shares, into the debentures, into the securities, into the municipal corporation bonds, into the various places, government bonds and securities. So these are the first time when it is published by the companies to the general public, that is the primary market. Here numerous intermediaries are there. We can't directly go and purchase. We have no authority, right, to enter into the primary market. We have to have the membership for the entry into the stock market and to purchase the things. So we can't go directly. So there are number of intermediaries. Step by step you have to go and you have to get your work done. You may have, that is the book running lead manager, the person who is in charge of the whole public issue. He is the intermediator. You have that registrar of the issue, the person who has registered the public issue and monitoring the activities of the public issue. The share brokers are, they are collecting. We have understood that concept of underwriter also in class 11, right? Underwriters, the various banks are providing services to the company for getting their minimum subscription. So like this, there are so many share brokers, the companies, and all are going to work under the activity. So in this manner, the primary market function. Now let us see how the stock market, the secondary market. Secondary market is known as a stock market. The very first, the oldest stock market was established on the first established on 9th of July 1875. The very first stock exchange, which is now known as a Bombay Stock Exchange. After that, at Ahmedabad, stock market that was established in the year 1894. These are the years you have to remember for your MCQs. So the secondary market, what exactly they function? First time the public issues are launched by the company. Afterwards, these issues are to be purchased and sold in number of times by the investors. So for that, we need a secondary market. Secondary market is a place where you can trade, you can purchase and sell your securities. So this is known as a stock market. It is a place to buy and sell the stock. What do you mean by the word stock? Stock means your investment. Investment may be in the form of a shares, debentures, government securities, municipal securities, government bonds. In all these forms, the individuals are having their money converted into the stock. Now, why we invest? We invest because we want to grow our money. Secondly, we want to invest in such a manner that as and when need arise, we can able to sell it off and convert into liquidity. So for that purpose, you need a stock market. With the help of stock market, you can sell out your securities. So this is the stock market is a registered corporate body. It is well organized, well registered, well recognized government body which function the stock related activities in the whole nation. Secondly, it approved by the government, and government has approved the central government in year 1956. When the Companies Act was passed in 1956, in that year only the stock market also recognized and approved by the government. It is an organized market, a very well organized, managed, controlled and functioned by the Security Exchange Board of India under their observation and under their control. In a very precise manner, the activities are done. You need to have a membership. As I say, that if you want to trade your security, you can't directly go and enter into that ring of a trading. You should have to have a membership. So only the membership, the registered member can only do on behalf of you, and he will does the trading for you. Here the market of securities, you will find, here you don't find any commodities like our consumer goods or consumer product. Here you will get only the security trading. Here the listing of security is must. Any company want that their shares are to be traded, and if they want to give a facility to their investor that liquidity can be maintained, then they need to go for the listing of their security. And if all the rules and regulations and as per the requirement of the SEBI, if the company fulfill all the requirement, then only the listing is possible. Management is done by the board of directors elected, and they run the administrate the whole activities. Here strict control over the members. The rules, regulations and all the ethical practices are to be performed because the trust of people here is very much involved, and the whole economic development and economic stability is up to an extent depends on the stock market. So it has to be controlled and well ruled. Organized structure. Under the public company structure, the stock market is running and organized structure. Regulation of the stock exchange is controlled by SEBI, the Security Board of India. So in this manner, the capital market classified into two, that is your primary market and the secondary market, and how the secondary market function and its characteristics we have understood. Now let us see the functions of capital market. In and all, what activities and the functions capital market does? We have already got the idea. Now let us list out just in a proper manner. The very first, as I said, liquidity. Why we want to invest into stock? The reason is if you are holding a stock and when you have your demat account and if you have enrolled, you can easily sell your stock through the demat because it is your e-form of investment. The physical security now are abolished from the market. We have all e-papers. So with that, you can trade your security immediately and those whatever you have sold off can be converted into cash within 3 working days and you will get your money back. So the main purpose of people is to keep their money in a liquid form, can be easily converted into cash. So that's why stock market is the most favorite place for people to invest their money. Valuation of security. You can come to know every day, every moment, every second what is the valuation of security. You must have seen so many business channels. On the business channel, you keep on getting the prices of every security at every second, how it keep on changing. So valuation can be done. Conversion of the saving into capital possible. We have our ideal money. What to do? We cannot keep at home. We cannot keep in the bank. Very less rate of interest you are getting and you need money to grow. So capital market is the only place where your money can grow in a faster manner. Intermediary in the creation of capital. Without the stock market, industry unable to get capital, and without the stock market, the investors like you and I unable to get a place to invest their money. So they are the best intermediary. As such, stock market is not investing. They simply facilitate the investment opportunities. They simply provides the investment opportunity. Safety in transaction. Because the very strict rules and regulations are followed, because very controlled manner the activities are carried on, we have the safety of transaction. Growth of capital market. As the economy grow, the valuation increase. Based on this, the capital market also grow. And when the capital market grow, the industrialization, industry growth and the economic growth and the country growth possible. Facility to perform the activities. It's a platform. Any activity related to finance if you want to do, then capital market is the place which provides you facility to perform your activity. What sort of an activity? Either buying of a stock, a new stock with the help of primary market, or selling and buying already listed stock with the help of the secondary market. So any activity you want to do, you can do here related to finance. Facilities for the speculation. Healthy speculation is also good for growth of money. Speculation means trading, calculative trading. Okay, so speculation is one kind of a gambling, one kind of a horse trading, one kind of a, but if you do it in a negative way, then it may be harmful. But a very calculative and healthy speculation if does, then it always help and provide boost to the economy and to the stock market. Here the informations are provided. All the security related information, how much dividend declared, what is the valuation, which are the upcoming new public issues, which are the issues, a buyback offer given by the few of the companies, and so many information are released and which help the investors. Listing of securities. All the security which are listed, you get the information about them and facility you have to get your security listed. Guidance to the investor. All investors are not having knowledge about investment, where to invest, how to invest, how much to invest, when to withdraw money from the market. So many decisions are to be taken. So here the security and the stock market provide release their guideline and helping guidelines for the investors. This type of guidance can help the investor and they can do their work well. In this manner, today we have covered that what sort of a capital market and how the capital market function. Like the video, subscribe. Thank you.